Good evening. So let me introduce to you my Shiny app. Before we get started, I just want to mention that our data set is based on the WHO death cost data set and also population and GDP per capita from World Bank. So as you can see that we have some tabs here, such as summary structure head. This would print some general information such as median mean for each variable, how many rows are here, and we can see that how many variables are here and also what characteristic for each variable. The header will print the 6 first rows to give you kind of a brief lookup for the table. And for the data analysis, we have 3 kind of chart: the bar chart, line plot, and pair plot. Here we would summarize each year and each country to get the total deaths by cost overall. So you can see that some of the death costs are leading in the death toll, while others are not so important. We can also draw a line plot to compare the trend of a specific death cost. For example, you can see that air pollution is growing over years, and for some others, you can see different trend. Let's move on to the pair plot or the scatter plot. So this is helpful to find the correlation between different variables. For example, we did find that some of the variables that are related to child support are quite strongly correlated. If we see that, we can see a very strong linear line. Moving on to data modeling. So we can see that with 5 variables and train test split of 80% train set and 20% test set, we get an accuracy of 0.8, and we can get some information on, for example, true positive and true negative. So the first one is for the decision tree, and it actually worked pretty good. And the second one we have is the logistic regression. As you can see that it did struggle a bit on the prediction of true negative compared to predicting true positive. We can also see the area on the curve graph with each combination. For example, if we just do a single variable, you can see that the performance is bad, and you can also toggle the split graph to show the numbers are changing, and also the graphs is also changing with different kind of a combination. Moving on to clustering, as you can see, the first step is to find the elbow point. With the 4 variable, we find that the k equals 4 is best for the clustering, and we can have a visualization for that. We can also change the number of clusters to bigger or smaller. And yeah, we can also toggle different variables to show. That will be it. Thank you very much for watching.